everyone, and welcome to my beautiful Halloween. In this tutorial, we are turning into the supervillain Poison Ivy. This look is my rendition of the Gotham City siren Poison Ivy, with inspiration from her makeup look seen in the Batman and Robin movie. I'm giving you the beautiful vibrant greens, reds, and classic metallic bronze lips as deadly as poison. Now if you guys are ready, let's transform into Mother Nature herself, Poison Ivy. With micellar water, I'm going to cleanse and refresh my skin before we apply a face mask. I'm applying a pore refining, purifying hydrogel mask and leaving that on for 15 minutes. This feels really soothing on the skin, and when 15 minutes is up, I'm going to be rinsing off the excess. Here I'm priming my skin with an illuminating primer. I'm going to be gluing my brows back with a washable glue stick and translucent powder. I'll be applying the Poison Ivy eye mask later, so I want lots of room to stick those on. Apply a medium coverage foundation and blend out with a damp sponge. Using a full coverage concealer, I'm going to conceal the brows. Here I'm concealing under my eyes to brighten and add coverage. I'm going to be baking the face with a brightening translucent powder, letting that sit in for a few minutes and then dusting away. With a dark brown brow pencil, I'm going to create a dramatic arched brow shape. I also go in with concealer to sharpen and then shape the brows. I'm using a brow powder to further fill and add thickness to the brows. I'm starting out the eye look with a medium matte orange shadow and blending that into my crease, winging outwards. With a deeper matte orange shadow, I'm going to blend into the crease to deepen the eye look, and I'm also dragging the shadow into the inner portion of the eye. Here I'm packing a bright yellow shadow into the brow bone. Picking up a foiled green eyeshadow, I'm going to blend that color all over the lid. Using a matte green shadow, I'm going to blend onto the lower lash line and smoke it out. I'm applying a foiled gold shadow into the inner corners of the eyes. With a foiled dark green eyeshadow, I'm going to deepen the outer corners of the eye and lower lash line. Here I'm using a translucent powder to clean up and bake the shadow line. Using black liquid liner, I'm going to wing out my eyes. With Dewy Mist, I'm going to dampen my eyelid and apply an orange glitter all over the lid. Now line the waterline with a teal green eyeliner and add black mascara. Pop on some dramatic false lashes. Here I'm using a black liquid liner to conceal the lash band. With a matte bronzer, I'm going to softly sculpt and bronze the face. I'm using an orange shadow as blush to warm up the cheeks. Here I'm using some bronzing rocks to add glow to the skin. I'll be spritzing my face with some Dewy Mist first and then adding green glitter under my eyes and onto the lower lash line. I'm also applying a bit more orange glitter on the lid. Line your lips with a dark nude lip liner for a 90s lip look similar to what Uma Thurman was wearing in the Batman and Robin movie. Using a metallic nude lipstick, fill in your lips. I'm using a darker lip liner to deepen up the lip line further. Here I'm using a red eyeshadow to create a deep, elongated crease, winging past the brow area. I'm also bringing that color into the inner portion of the eye. With the brown contour cream, I am once again further deepening the lip line. Now it's time to melt down all of those powders using a dewy setting mist. And here I'm popping on a Poison Ivy wig. With a duochrome green highlighter, I'm going to be highlighting the center of the chest and collarbones for a beautiful glow. With a glitter body spray, I'm going to spray the chest, neck, and down the arms. We need lots of glitter for this look. Using nail glue, I'm going to be popping on some green press-on nails. I'm using glitter gel to further glitter up the body, and I also added in some green glitter gel as well. Now spritz the face with dewy mist and add iridescent glitter all over using a large fluffy brush. I'm also adding orange glitter to the center of the lips. This is the Poison Ivy Halloween makeup look without her Poison Ivy eye masks. Now, if you guys want to know how to apply those, then keep watching. I'm using spirit gum to stick the eye masks on, and you will definitely need this if you want them to stay on and not lift. These eyepieces were once a full mask that came with the costume, and I decided to cut them up to make them look more like the eye masks she was wearing in the Batman and Robin movie. Apply a thick layer of spirit gum to these pieces and hold tightly against the skin until you feel it start to stick. Continue to add pressure once it's drying so it doesn't lift off the eye. Lastly, I'm using glitter gels and I'm applying over the eye masks to add shine and a glossy finish. This is the final Poison Ivy Halloween makeup tutorial. If you loved it, be sure you like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you all for tuning in to my beautiful Halloween, and I'll see you next time.
Poison Ivy.